ReFocus AI is an intuitive plugin that allows insurance professionals to harness their data to make 60% more sales and ensure that all policyholders have correct and sufficient coverage. Whereas most industries have too little data, insurance has way too much of it. Accenture estimates that insurance companies only use 10 to 15% of all the data that they have access to, and most of this data is locked into outdated and outmoded software systems. We're probably all aware of the 4 to 5 companies we see on advertisements, but the reality is that there are 400,000 insurance professionals in the US spread across 20,000 companies who feel this problem acutely, from individual brokers to huge companies employing tens of thousands. Over 100 insurance professionals told us that not only did they want to use their data to drive better business decisions, they also want to use their data to make better sales decisions. And to solve this problem, they wanted an easy-to-use tool that does not require a data science team, because they know their agency with 10 to 20 people in the office will never have access to the same data science teams and expertise that the huge insurance companies have. So we built it. Let's step into the shoes of Mike Murray, a broker and account manager in Chicago who works for Great Goose Insurance. Mike starts off every day by viewing the action items on his dashboard. Once logged in, he sees all of his opportunities ranked based on what models he has set up for his team. No data science degree needed. Later that same day, Mike's revenue officer comes to him with a question. Who are the clients that are most at risk? Mike knows this problem all too well. And Mike knows exactly how to answer this question. Mike quickly sets up a model using the data he previously loaded into ReFocus and sets the predict value, in this case the column that indicates retention. After filling out the fields, the model starts to train and is ready to add to his dashboard after 5 or so minutes. All said and done, this means that in 10 minutes, Mike was able to answer his revenue officer's question and help his company retain profit. Let's flash forward to 2 weeks later, after Mike has added new clients, policies, and other changes to his ReFocus account, which helps the predictions stay relevant and accurate. Mike repeats this process as needed, while the ReFocus application batch process retrains his model with this newer information overnight.